Hi everyone, welcome to another video of SyncBricks. In this video, I'll show you how we can use the canned responses or email templates or templates that you can send to sender to give them the response. For example, if I'm composing an email and I want to send the email from the template, and instead of typing again and again, you can have a template which is already saved. So if you see here, I have some of the templates. Usually what you will do, you will copy the template and paste it, and then you will modify it, and then you will send it. Instead of copying and pasting, you can simply create those templates within your Gmail. Once the templates are created, then you can simply use that template to send the response to email. You have got an email from, for example, a customer, and now you need to send the reply. Instead of sending the reply, typing the reply, you can simply get it from the template. And how you can get that template? I'll show you that. First of all, you will click here on the top right corner, settings, and go to see all settings. You can go here to advanced, and in advanced you can go down here, templates, and enable the templates. Just save the changes. Now, in order to create those templates, you will simply click here on compose and compose a new email. So subject will be thank you for your inquiry. Suppose, of course, there is no need to keep subject. Here you will click on this three dots icon, or if you expand this, you can see here is the three dots icon. So you'll click on more options, and you can see here template, save draft as template, save a new template, inquiry response. Just save this template and close. Now you can create another template here. Now the template is ready. So what you need to do here, click on more options, templates, save draft as template, and save as new template. So we'll give it a name, product inquiry, and that's it. Now we have two templates saved here. If I want to compose a new email, for example, instead of typing it again, I can just click on three dots, template, and here you can see the template has been loaded. And in case you want to reply, so you can go here, reply, three dots, templates, and product inquiry. You can see here that you are now sending the email response to an existing email, and that's it. So you don't need to type everything again and again. You can simply create the template and use that template. So this was all about creating template, and in Gmail you can go to the advanced settings and enable the template and start sending the email. So hope you like this video. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.